Today I've got a really exciting unboxing. This is my first ever purchase from Angelic Paris online. I saw this series. The end of last year, advertised to come out this year, and I died instantly. They'd previewed the OP, which was unshared, and so obviously I wasn't going to fit that. Then when they actually announced it, in theory none of the cuts fit me. So I got the skirt, which has got full back shirring, like it's half shirred from what I could see, and I'm just praying and hoping that it fits. But if not, this series has been so popular, I do not think I'm going to struggle to find someone to buy it. So I got the skirt and the socks. They're both in this box from Paris. This was shipped out from Paris and arrived here within 4 days, which included a Sunday, which was yesterday. People were getting them on Saturday, so it was either 2-3 days, which is really good. This is going to be the longest heckin' unboxing for one thing, well, two things. Got the skirt and the socks. Why didn't I get the head bow? Why did I not get the head bow? Because the head bow is basically one of these, and these are like £3, not 45 euros. Here we go, I've got it open. Heck yeah! We got a bag. I like how everything like exactly fits. I can see it! See the box! There's a sticker on the bag. I am going to carefully peel the sticker off the bag. They had a sticker when I bought in store as well. This is going to also go on my eater bag front, probably. Every time I buy from AP Paris, just stick another sticker. I put it on my TV, but I need to change my TV. On a temporary basis, you can sit on my laptop watching JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. There is my receipt and a thank you. It says thank you, Stephanie Joan Robinson. There's my store receipt. There's many euros. Oh, that is so cute. Right, I'm gonna do the socks first. So here we have a pair of socks. Very exciting. I'm actually genuinely excited. Buying new from brand is a big treat. This is only the second time I bought brand new from AP. The first time was at Dream Masquerade Carnival. I bought new from AP and Physical Drop. Yeah, as much as I love Meta, I've never managed to buy new, which is sad. So there we go. There's my socks with my tag. My 3,000 yen, 33 euro socks. And there they are. I will unclip them because obviously I want to wear these anyway. The socks I was honestly very excited for. I was literally going to get them in every colour, and then for some reason decided that I was just going to get the ones that matched. Which is unusual because normally I like to get different colourway socks to the dress. Does this make sense? I will do it one. Are the socks identical? They are identical, so I'll do it one at a time. So, well, not one at a time, I'll just do one. So they've got like this organza, like basically one of these. Look at that, they're twinning. At the top, they're a really cute ankle sock. There's an A. This is all like the main motifs from the print. They've got like an almost sheer, like a net as the front. I don't know how easy this is to see, but there's a record, the stars on the back, those are like gonna get worn away by shoes. Oh yeah, and my favourite motif, the roller skate. Oh, I love the skate so much. I've actually been working on Redbubble prints based on Neon Star Diner because I wanted to make a cut-sew. So I did some cute skate art that's loosely based on these, and they're so cute. I imagine the fit will be absolutely fine. I am a LL in Japanese shoes. So that's the sockies. Skirt. Okay, that's first surprise right off the bat. The belt is lavender. I thought it was blue, but that is very much a lavender. Jeez, there's no lavender on the print. Pockets are lavender. Dang, there goes my plan for my headbow. I bought like a wire wrap headbow that is pink and blue because there's like very bright blue and bright pinks in the print. Seems like I need lavender. Oh my god, I love it. So I already know full well that I won't be able to wear it with the belt for a while. Like, ooh, sturdy. Okay, so the last time I bought you from AP was 2016. I bought Baked Sweets Parade. I was expecting a thin kind of like this stuff fabric, which is like what I was expecting it to be, like a thin chiffon affair, not the solid polyester. Do you think it's polyester? I don't know. Ah! No. Yes, it is full back shirring. I'm praying that's going to fit me. It's got pocket. Ooh, they have deep pockets. They're so cute. There seems to actually be quite a bit of space in the back. There's the print. Oh, it's so freaking perfect. Crack them crying a little bit. And the like tool at the bottom. It's got hearts. AP. It's got hearts. Oh, it's so cute. I also love how, at least in my camera's like viewfinder thing, the neon is really popping. I love anything neon, but like on black. Oh, it's got a zipper. It's got a zipper down the pocket side. This is important because sometimes AP do pocket on one side, zipper on, not on the zipper side, but I guess with this it's a bit easier. Yeah, I absolutely freaking love this. I will die for you, Neon Star Diner. Anyway, more close-ups of the print time, I think. So here we have the skirt in all its beautiful glory. I'm gonna just go in on some of these details because they are super cute. So we have the electrical music record with, it looks a bit like the neon's burnt out. Electrical me. Oh, usk. But I love it. There's a can of cream soda, popcorn bucket, which is super cute, the Star Diner sign, a very cute little gumball machine. I'm excited, so excited. There's a really cute ice cream, and the roller skate. Look how important and cute the roller skate is. AP knew what they were doing. And the Angelic Pretty logo, which looks super cute in like neon font. There's A's. There are P's. I just have 2 A's on the front of my skirt. And there's the cupcake and a parfait. I'm curious, where is the P, Angelic Pretty? Do I have a skirt with only A's? There's a P on the socks. Do I genuinely have a skirt? Oh, there is a P. I just couldn't see it. Yeah, there's P. And there's the A. And the back of the skirt. I need to see what's going on with the lavender area. But yeah, the belt buckle is super cute. There's also this glittery edging on the belt and the piping on the pockets, which I feel like is very important information. I love this. It reminds me a lot of Collective, which is, you know, one of my favourites. The blouse I'm wearing is Collective, so I'm just super excited for this whole extravaganza. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that, and Neon Star